In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix X or Twitter sensitive content settings. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your X application just like that. Once you've done that, click on your profile icon on the top left of your screen just like that. And now you want to click on the settings and privacy tab. Here you can simply go ahead and click on the privacy and safety and click on content you see. You can click on explore settings. As you can see, it says show content in your current location. You can turn that on as well. You can explore locations and also trends for you. You could turn that on the interest tab. You can simply go ahead and play around with this as well. So anything that you are interested in, you can simply go ahead and tick mark it, and anything that you don't want to see, you can simply uncheck it just like that. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.